So dear students, when we study the landforms in geomorphology, so you can see there is lots of huge landforms made by the different processes. So we see in the fluvial geomorphology, there are so many landforms made by the rivers. So behind that formation of landforms, there are some erosional processes, or you can say erosional mechanisms. So if you talk about the fluvial processes, so there are four kind of fluvial processes or fluvial mechanism which are the cause of the river erosion, or you can say the river erosion done by the four processes. So the first one is the abrasion or corrosion. The first process is abrasion. Abrasion is simply the, when the river load in the flow of water is a river load or the sediments, the suspended load, it abrases the river banks and even the river flow. So this is the process by which the deepening of the river and the widening of the river take place. So this is the process of abrasion, when the river load or the sediments abrase the river banks or the river floor. So this is the abrasion or corrosion. Next process is the attrition. In the attrition, the particles they strike to each other and they become smaller and smaller. So these the boulders or the pebbles, the sedimented the suspended load or the sediments, they strike with each other and they get smaller and smaller in size. So this process is called as attrition. So next, the third process is the hydraulic action. There is a pressure put by the water, the river water, on the banks and even on the river floor. So you can see that cracks are getting developed in the on the banks or at the river floor. So this kind of erosion is known as the hydraulic action process. Because of the hydraulic action is the pressure of the water, it is behind this erosion process. Next is the solution or corrosion. This is kind of chemical erosion, you can say. The property of water, when it come in contact with the different minerals or the river bed, so some kind of rocks or minerals, they get by the help of solution, they flow with the water. So this kind of erosion is called as the corrosion or solution. So these are the four types of erosional processes which are responsible for the formation of fluvial landform formation. So these are the erosional processes in the river, or you can say in the fluvial geomorphology. I hope you got understand these four processes. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.